Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. Today I'm gonna start off this video by unboxing my brand new drill. I will probably put in the clips of me realizing my drill is broken now because it happened while I was recording. What? Oh man. So pretty much I went ahead and bought a new one from Amazon, and I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys what I got. If it wasn't for my drill breaking out of nowhere, I definitely would not have bought this. Another box. So the drill is from the brand Bell. So this is what it looks like open. It has a little case with it. A big case. So I do want to mention that this was not an inexpensive drill. For those who wanted me to do a video where I review inexpensive drills, this is not it. I did not forget about that video. This just kind of had to happen because my old one broke. But since that happened, I decided to upgrade a little bit. So you get an operation manual, some sanding bands. These look like fine grit sanding bands, a handpiece holder. This is the charging cord. And it comes with some standard drill bits. You get a needle drill bit, you get a dust brush bit, a pumice type of bit. This is like a cuticle bit, mandrel for sanding bands, and then I have a medium ceramic cone drill bit. So nice. All right, and now for the fun stuff. So here I have the actual drill. It is super pretty. Oh my goodness. And then we have the handpiece. So pretty. So this is pretty similar to my last one as far as functionality. Like it has an LED screen, forward and reverse options, and the speed control. And this one actually has this built-in case for it, I guess. And I'm able to put my handpiece right here. It's really pretty in person, but it's super mirrored, and you guys can kind of see like my filming setup, and it's kind of glaring. I'm not sure if I'm gonna love that, but you guys won't be seeing my drill too much anyway. I just plugged it in and I want to show you guys what it looks like as it's charging. So it just has a battery picture up on the screen, and it's letting me know that it's charging and how much charge it has. So yeah, that's the unboxing, and I will definitely tell you guys my thoughts on it later on.
So I sped through the footage of the application process. For the design, 3 of the nails are fully covered in one color. I'm using the 2-bead method from my How to Build an Apex video. And I have 1 ombre nail and 1 V-cut French tip nail, which I have detailed videos on both of those designs if you're interested in an explanation on how I do that with Polygel. But I'm just going to let you guys watch me work, and then I'll come back on for filing to share my experience with the drill. I also wanted to mention that I have finally made an Instagram account. It is Vic's Nail Tips, just like it is here on YouTube. You guys can go ahead and follow me. I don't have much on there yet, but I'm super excited to be able to post on there and give you updates when I'm not on YouTube, and sneak peeks of new videos, and also just talk to you guys more than I do in the comments already. I've gotten a few comments asking if I had an Instagram, and I finally got around to making one. So it still blows my mind that there's people that care enough to want to follow me on another platform, but it just makes me so happy. So go ahead and check that out.
Alright you guys, so I have finished the application process and I'm going to go ahead and get into the filing. I have my drill right here that I'm going to be using for the first time. Before I get into trying out the drill, I'm going to reshape my nails with this 8080 grit hand file. I have my dust collector. Alright, so they are all reshaped and I just pulled up the drill on Amazon so that I could kind of look at the page and see the claims that it's making. Okay, so it just says that it's ultra smooth, quiet, and vibration free. Those are the 3 things I will be looking out for. I'm going to be using my Kiara Sky 5-in-1 fine drill bit. I did remember reading that you should allow some space between the drill and the bit. I don't know how to take this. It says that this is removable, but how? I don't want to break it. It's fine. Alright, so let's test to see how loud it is. And it's extremely quiet, but it's also on the lowest, so let's speed it up. This is an 8 and it's still extremely quiet. This is a 13. 20. 30. It's still very quiet. And 35. This is the highest that it goes. I don't know why anyone would ever need that, but I usually don't even pass 15. I'll be using an 8 to file my nails. So I have it on 8. I also like how much smaller the handpiece is in comparison to my old one. It's just a lot fatter, which is fine. I just find that this is a little bit more comfortable in my hand. Ooh. I'm noticing something. I noticed that when I would run the bit on the nail, after I would lift it off of the nail, it would weirdly like slow itself down and then pick back up to the normal speed. I'm not sure what that's about. I'm not sure if it can even catch it on camera, if you guys will be able to hear it. I'm gonna try. I hope you guys heard that. If you can hear the difference in the sound, it's slowing down directly after I take it off of the nail, and then it picks back up to the speed that I have it set to, but that's just a little weird. My old drill doesn't do that. I slightly find it annoying, but I've also only been using it for like 2 minutes. It's very quiet though, I love it. I'm going to switch over to a sanding band just to kind of buff up the nails and give them a smoother look. Okay, so I just went and I washed my hands to get all the dust away. We're gonna go ahead and move on to just finishing this design up. The design was mostly done with Polygel, so I only have a few things to add onto it, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that while I tell you about my feelings about my drill. The things I'm gonna be using are both from Amazon. Right here I have like shapes, and I'm gonna be putting this heart on my nail, and then I have these old English font letters that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna put a T on my nude nail. That is the initial of my boyfriend's name, and I figured it was fitting to put his initial on my nails for Valentine's Day, so let's go ahead and do that. I also have nail glue from Model 1 so that things stick a little bit easier. I'm going to be top coating with McCart top coat. I just have a brush for the nail art glue and some tweezers for the stickers. I was very impressed with the drill. I couldn't think of anything that I did not like about the drill, which is a good thing. This doesn't really look like a T, but it is. It kind of does. I know earlier I mentioned the only thing that I thought was a little bit weird, when I touched it to the nail, it would slow down a little bit and then pick the speed back up. Something else I noticed, which this isn't a bad thing, it's just something that I picked up on, is compared to my last drill, it moves a little bit slower. A 10 on that drill would be a 15 on this drill. It's just a little behind, which isn't a problem because it does go up so high in RPMs. It goes all the way up to 35. So I am happy with the choice I made for my new drill. It was a very smooth filing process. It just felt really buttery as it was going across the nail. It's very comfortable to use. I felt like it lived up to all of the claims it made. I really love the sleek look of it. So for that reason, I give this drill 5 stars. Really loved it. I'm super excited to continue to use it. So cute. I love. Alright, so here's what they're looking like. They are so cute. So that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Vic's Nail Tips. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!